Good morning everyone. In this lecture EC8691 microprocessor microcontroller unit 5 interfacing of microcontroller and applications. In previous session we can studied the keyboard interfacing, servo motor interfacing and ADC interfacing. Now today we are going to discuss about the digital to analog conversion interfacing, DAC interfacing. In the microcontroller wide variety of applications like for measuring and control of physical quantities like temperature, pressure, sensor, speed, distance, etc. In this system, microcontroller generate output which is digital from the controlling system record analog signals as they do not accept the digital data, that making it necessary to use DAC which convert the digital data into equivalent analog voltage. In digital to analog conversion is a device used to convert digital pulses to analog signals. In the figure shown, we use 8-bit DAC 0808. This IC convert digital data into equivalent analog current. Hence, we required an 1 to 5 converter to convert this circuit into the equivalent voltage. In DAC 0808 provide a 256 discrete voltage or current level of output. Now, what is the DAC 0808? In this microcontroller 1408, that is a DAC 0808, the digital input are converted to analog current and connected a resistance to the output pin. We convert the result to voltage. The total current provided by the output pins is a function of binary numbers at D0 to D7 input of the DAC 0808, and the reference current is D0 is a LSB, D7 is some MSB for the input, and reference current is the input current that must be applied to the pin 14. The reference current is generally to 2.0 milliamps. So we see the structure of the DAC interfacing. In DAC interfacing, directly connected to the P1.0 to P1.7, the data signals are connected to the DAC 0808. The DAC interfaces is compared the operation amplifier to compare to generate the digital to analog signals to the oscilloscope. In the previous session we have to discuss the analog and digital conversion. The same structure of conversion process is used to execute the DAC interfacing. Now we see the experimental of DAC interfacing with A051 microcontroller. The DAC values of 1050 is analogically the value of the voltage is 1.28. This voltage is generated to voltage or current this measured to the transistors. Now this is output voltage is equal to reference voltage. The digital values of D0 to divided by 2 up to D7 divided by 256 values. If the data is 60 H, the reference voltage is 10 volt. That is then the output voltage is equal to 10 into 0 divided by 2 to 0 divided by 256. Now the second example of if the data is 80 H, that is a binary value of 100 etc. For the reference voltage equal to 10 volt, the output voltage is equal to 10 into 1 divided by 2 up to 0 to 256. Therefore, the V out is equal to 5 volt. Now, in this session, you can complete study of digital to analog conversion methodology and how to interfaces the 8051 microcontroller into 08 ADC 0808 controller. Thank you for watching this video.